Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. It's Mike here from Health and Fitness 101. Today, we're diving deep into the world of post-workout recovery. You know, that crucial time after you've pushed your body to its limits and now it's begging for some TLC. But before we get into it, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our fitness community. Now, let's get started. Picture this. You've just finished a grueling workout. Your muscles are screaming, your heart is pounding, and you're drenched in sweat. You feel like a warrior, right? But what you do next is just as important as the workout itself. It's like baking a cake. You've mixed all the ingredients, but if you don't bake it at the right temperature, you're not going to get the results you want. So, what's the right temperature for your body? Well, it's a combination of several things. First off, hydration. Think of your body like a well-oiled machine. Without oil, the machine grinds to a halt. Similarly, without water, your body can't function properly. So, after a workout, it's crucial to replenish the fluids you've lost. Next up, nutrition. Imagine your body as a car that's just finished a long journey. It needs fuel to keep going, right? That's where post-workout nutrition comes in. Consuming a balanced meal with proteins, carbs, and fats is like filling up your car's tank. It helps repair your muscles and replenish your energy stores. Now, let's talk about rest. Picture your body as a smartphone. After a long day of use, the battery gets drained, right? And what do? You plug it in and let it recharge. That's exactly what sleep does for your body. It's the time when most of the repair and recovery happens. So, make sure you're getting enough shut-eye. Lastly, active recovery. Think of it as a cool-down lap after a race. It helps to gradually bring your heart rate down and flush out the lactic acid from your muscles. This could be a light jog, a brisk walk, or some gentle yoga. Remember, folks, your body is like a temple. You've got to take care of it, especially after a tough workout. So, hydrate, eat well, rest, and engage in active recovery. That's all for today, guys. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow fitness enthusiasts. And remember, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more health and fitness tips. Until next time, keep pushing your limits and stay fit.